Good afternoon, this is John from Direct Deal Autos. Wanted to show you this beautiful SL550. Right now the top is up. I'll get that down for you. Now this is one of the most fully loaded versions of this year. It does have a lot of options, including the adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, comfort seats with massaging seats, and one of everybody's favorite features, the Magic Sky roof. So we're gonna have this roof open for you, so you can get the real nice view. Now, this is a car. This is John here. Say hi, John. And just to show you the interior, these seats will also support your side as you make turns. And of course, here's the Magic Sky roof. At the click of a button, it gets nice and dark. This car stays absolutely cool on a 90-degree day.
This Mercedes and other cars like this are available here at Direct Deal Autos. Give us a call at 954-833-1795.